Hello, welcome to our channel. Software and app reviews. To stay up to date with my latest videos, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the button above this video. And don't forget to like and share. Please comment or post motivational quotes in the comment section. On this first video, we will review about best video converters for Windows in 2021. Having a solid video converter at your disposal means you can easily play all your videos on any device. We reveal the best video converters for Windows so you don't have to waste time with subpar tools. Whether we're making our own or viewing them online, videos are everywhere these days. Although they're in abundance, it's hardly a seamless experience to play video files on multiple devices. Enter video converters. These make life easier by changing video files into different formats, enabling you to play the video on your desired device and app. Video converters can also be useful when editing videos, as changing the file to a different format can allow for a more efficient editing process. Thankfully, there's a huge selection of video converters for PC, but choosing the right one can be tough. Xmedia Recode 3.5.3.0. Best video converters for Windows. Xmedia Recode can convert almost all known audio and video formats. Xmedia Recode is a freeware video and audio transcoding program for Microsoft Windows developed by Sebastian Dorfler. It can import and export many types of files such as WMV, MP4, MP3, 3GP, Matroska and more. Xmedia Recode can convert unprotected DVDs or DVD files to any supported output file. Xmedia Recode features a drag-and-drop style interface and uses job queuing and batch processing to automate the task of transcoding multiple files. The program is actively being updated. Recent additions include importing of external subtitles, better stability, latest X264, FFmpeg, video rotation, etc. Those formats include 3GP, 3GPP, 3GPP2, AAC, AC3, AMR, ASF, AVI, Avicent, DVD, FLAC, FLV, H.261, H.263, H.264, M4A, M1V, M2V, M4V, Matroska, MKV, MMF, MPEG-1, MPEG-2, MPEG-4, TS, TRP, MP2, MP3, MP4, MP4V, MOV, OGG, PSP, S, VCD, SWF, VOB, WAV, WMA, and WMV. Xmedia Recode can only convert unprotected Blu-rays or DVDs. Xmedia Recode converts 3GP to AVI, 3GP to FLV, AC3 to MP3, AC3 to WAV, ASF to 3GP, ASF to FLV, ASF to MP4, AVI to FLV, AVI to 3GP, FLAC to MP3, FLAC to WMA, FLV into 3GP, FLV to MP3, DVD to 3GP, DVD to AC3, DVD to AVI, DVD to MP3, DVD to MP4, DVD to MOV, DVD to SVCD, DVD to VCD, DVD to WMV, OGG to MP3, OGG to WMA, MPEG to AVI, MP2 to MP3, MP4 to FLV, MP4 to AVI, M4P to MP3, MOV to 3GP, MOV to AVI, MOV to FLV, WMA to MP3, WMV to FLV, WAV to MP3. Features of Xmedia Recode. Besides converting, Xmedia Recode also has basic editing abilities. Output to video and audio, video only or audio only. Copy video and/or audio tracks from input file to avoid conversion. Presets, called profiles, for various media devices e.g. PS3, Xbox 360, iPhone, PSP, Zune and more. Multiple languages: German, English, French, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, Polish, Russian. Includes a bitrate calculator that can calculate the required video bitrate to achieve a desired file size based on various media CD, DVD, memory cards, etc. Allows users to choose a percentage of the media for fine controlling. Supports multiple audio tracks. Displays basic media info about each video using media info. A more detailed view can be accessed from the right-click context menu for each video. Supports batch processing when multiple videos are selected in the main interface via Ctrl+click or Shift+click. Multiple highlighted jobs will all have the same conversion settings and multiple jobs will be added simultaneously. Supports adding external audio tracks and subtitles files. X-Media Recode includes a bitrate calculator capable of sizing videos to fit various media including CDR, DVD5, 4.7 GB, DVD9, 8.5 GB, and memory cards ranging from 128 MB to 32 GB. Videos can be calculated to a percentage of the selected media or a specific file size. Unlike most bitrate calculators, it calculates the video and audio streams together. The bitrate calculator is capable of configuring output settings like resolution, bitrate mode e.g. ABR, 2-pass, etc., framerate and similar settings for the audio tracks. This function is missing in version 3.2.5.2, but the bitrate can still be set manually. Limitations of X-Media Recode. Bitrate calculator does not allow to choose the number of channels for audio tracks, defaults to stereo. System-wide brightness, contrast and color adjustments for videos from NVIDIA or ATI control panel will be detected by X-Media Recode during the preview and those adjustments will be hard-coded into the output file. Lack of documentation for codec options, hover tooltips. All videos default the framerate to keep original, however this can sometimes create corrupt or broken videos. The user is therefore required to choose the desired framerate every time to prevent the mentioned problem from occurring. Many settings for profiles are locked down, e.g. file extension, video codecs, audio codecs, and are therefore at the discretion of the X-Media Recode developer. Does not allow to permanently modify or amend existing profiles from the X-Media Recode GUI. Instead, they must be modified via a text editor. Max supported framerate is 180 and custom framerates are unsupported. The crop and resize options are sometimes problematic and do not work as intended. Audio normalization – program crashes when audio output codec selected as AAC. Thanks for watching.